Question number 12. An airplane descends from an altitude of 9,500 feet to 500 feet. That means initially the altitude of aeroplane is 9,500 and it's coming down at the rate 400 feet per minute until it reaches at 5,000 feet altitude. That means after 1 minute it's 400 feet down. That means at 9,100 feet. Again after 1 minute 400 feet down. That means at 8,700 feet. Again after 1 minute 400 feet down. That means 8,300 feet until it reaches at 5,000 feet. So because rate is same every time, it's a linear expression, right? So linear can be expressed as y is equal to mx plus b, right? And b is the initial value. So what is the initial value here, which is at the beginning, which is 9,500 or 9,500 feet. Y is equal to, now the rate of change is like it's decreasing, it's coming down. The altitude is decreasing after every minute. So it's negative 400 x plus 9,500. So it's a linear expression, right? And because the altitude is decreasing, so it's decreasing linear. So that means option B is the right option.